It is important to put on your personal protective equipment and your respiratory protective equipment correctly and in the right order. Unpack and put on the disposable overall, ensuring that all your clothing is covered. Put on the disposable mask. You should be clean shaven to ensure the mask provides an airtight seal. Ensure the straps are in the correct position and not tangled. The elasticated bottom strap of the mask should be positioned around the neck and the top strap around the crown of your head. Pinch the nose clip to ensure a good seal with the face. Put on the gloves and pull the suit sleeves over the wrists to create a really tight fit. Finally, pull the hood up over your head, ensuring all hair is covered. When all previous steps are completed, you'll be ready to take your first sample.